Hey guys, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. We are driving. We are on our way to Texas. We're doing a couple other things, and then we're going to be stopping at Austin, Texas, and take a look at the Gigafactory in Austin, which I am pretty excited for. We're going to be doing that in a couple of days, but we got about 1,033 miles and roughly 17 hours of drive time, and that is including our charging. So we have about 7 stops that we have to make to charge up, about 10 to 25 minutes each stop, depending on how where we're stopping and how long we need to stop for. That's based on the distance, the charger that they have there. Some chargers are a lot better than others. So we are on our way, 17-hour drive, and this is gonna be real fun. The back's already hurting. We're 3 miles into the trip. All right, we'll be back with you shortly. Hey guys, we're at our first stop. We're just south of Tucson. We hooked up the charger. It's a 150 kilowatt charger, so it's a fast one. We went inside, grabbed some Subway, came back, ate it, and we're more than fully charged. We only needed to stop for 5 minutes, but we let it keep going because we're here. Why not? So this doesn't even count as like an extra stop because we were going to eat anyway. So back to the road. All right, so we just got into Texas about an hour ago. We left El Paso and we're driving through the plains of Texas. And it is barren out here, but it's nice out here. Give you a little quick view out the right window, show you what we're looking at over there. We got some mountains out in the background and a lot of flat land. So pretty nice. We've got about another 500 or so miles to go, and then we will be there. Hey guys, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. We are here in Texas. I am at my aunt's house. Tomorrow morning we are going to Giga Texas, and we're leaving at like 2 a.m. and meet up with maybe Joe Tegtmeyer, maybe Jeff Roberts. We're hoping that we can run into them, maybe ask them a couple of questions, get something on camera for you guys. So we're pretty excited about that. Hey guys, I just stopped at the Tesla store in Southlake, Texas. I took a couple pictures in there. I didn't want to do video because there's people walking around. Pictures I can easily not get them, so I wanted to be polite. But this is the store down in Southlake, Texas, and they have a Model 3 there and a Model Y, and they are clean. They keep these things real bright and shiny. But I just wanted to show you these pictures. It's kind of a big empty store because there's only 2 cars, but they don't have any Model S's available, just like everybody else. So they're not going to stick them in a showroom if they can't get them out to customers. So let's take a look at these pictures. Good morning, everyone. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. We're on our way to Giga Texas, and we are at a charging station in Waco, Texas. So just topping off before we head down to Austin. And hopefully it's not raining there, though the weather does not look too good. Yesterday we saw a wrapped orange Model Y. It looked phenomenal. I'm going to show you some pictures here. Spoke to the owners of the car. The wrap was great. It looked like paint. I thought it was paint, and I had to ask them, is this paint or a wrap? Because it was perfect. They got everything, including the door jambs, done on this car. So it looked really good. They spent like $3,600 on it also. So just want to show you that because I thought that looked pretty cool. So back to charging. So we just got to the factory and we're sitting here. It is pouring out. We're going to get as much video as we can. We're going to take stills if we can, but the weather is not going to cooperate with us today. So hopefully this is going to clear up in a little bit, but right behind me, that's how close we are. Look at that. It's right there. Everyone's still working inside. We've seen some welding going on. We see guys putting things together. Lots of action still going on here, but we're gonna hopefully the storm cell passes by us. It looks like it will, and we're probably gonna give it about 30-45 minutes to see if we can get back up in the air. So we're on our way back home. It's been a very long 4 days, most of it driving, and Giga Texas was awesome. That was so incredible. The factory is so immense. You just cannot grasp it in pictures. It is so big. It is so huge. It is so fantastic. I want to go back and just like stand there and watch and just Jeff and Joe were awesome. They were super friendly. They're super nice. They helped me out explaining lots of things to me, and just telling me the rules of the road over there, because you got to be careful, safety first. It was a fantastic time. It was brief because of the rain, but we had a wonderful time looking at the site and doing a little bit of a flyover. So I'm pretty excited about all that. So we're gonna have a flyover video. By the time you see this video, that one's already out. So if you want to see that one, take a look up here and it should be there, unless I got myself backwards and it's over there. We still have 539 miles to go, and then we'll finally be home. We are sitting somewhere out of, I don't know, somewhere in Texas, Van Horn, Texas, at a hotel with no name. And just charging up, getting ready for our next stop, which is in San Antonio, El Paso. I am turned around now, just been in this car for too long. El Paso's our next stop. So go ahead, check out that flyover video, because I know it's already been posted. It's going to be pretty cool, or it was pretty cool. I'm just speaking into the future. All right.